and has a lot of party work to perform in different states. Let's also get you exactly what the Aam Aadmi Party MP has to say on the issue, what happens in the Delhi Assembly as to who will be the face of the leader of opposition there, because Swati Maliwal there writing to Arvind Kejriwal and seeking that a Dalit MLA should get the position of the opposition leader, and she's been urging Arvind Kejriwal to honor his promise, as she has now been flagging the unfulfilled Dalit pledge. Now, even if we take a look as far as the top leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, only Atishi there managed to secure a victory this time, as she being one of the most prominent faces and now as an outgoing chief minister of the national capital. But it seems that Swati Maliwal there writing to Arvind Kejriwal as the party convener to urge him to fulfill the promise as far as a Dalit leader should be the face of the Aam Aadmi Party's opposition in the assembly. Let's put that out exactly what she has to say as far as writing this letter to Arvind Kejriwal. This is Swati Maliwal putting out the details there. A quick translation there of what she's put out on social media platform. A letter that has been written today to Arvind Kejriwal ji to make an MLA from the Dalit community in Delhi as the leader of opposition. 3 years ago, Kejriwal had promised in Punjab that he will make a Dalit deputy chief minister, but that promise has not been fulfilled till date. I hope this time he will pay true tribute to respected Baba Saheb Ambedkar by making a Dalit MLA from Delhi the LOP or the leader of opposition. However, this remains to be seen there, because Swati Maliwal there writing to Arvind Kejriwal this time where she is seeking that a Dalit MLA, because as far as when it comes to the hope of a deputy chief minister, that has now been dashed for the Aam Aadmi Party as far as the election defeat now is concerned. Will there be a Dalit face or not? Who will be the opposition face of the Aam Aadmi Party? That also remains to be seen. But Delhi ka Mukhyamantri आखिरकार कौन होगा? That suspense is also likely to end today. We'll get you the Delhi updates as far as the BJP victory is concerned and all of the arrangements that have been made for the grand swearing-in ceremony. See you after a short break.